Hey guys, welcome to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be quickly changing out this shower head. As you can see, this one had a little bit of a blowout right there. So we're going to take this down. Super simple, easy to do. I am using this shower head right here to replace it. It's from AquaCare. I've got a link down there in the description. This thing's very affordable. You can buy it on Amazon, Lowe's, anything like that. So throw that down there, and we're going to start by popping this off here. And then this, I went ahead and loosened it, but it may be on there really tight. It may be corroded on there, so you may have to use some tools or just beat this thing off of here. It is plastic, this one is, so if I were to run into issues, I could just, pretty much tear it up. If yours is metal, you should be able to grip it with like some pliers, something like that. So we'll go ahead and turn this, take it off. Boom, really easy, simple. Throw that down there. If this has a whole bunch of buildup on there, use like some steel wool to clean that up. Actually, inside of here, there were two old of these little sealers in there. So I had to pull those out, these old washers. They were shoved up in there. Ain't gonna do us any good. Our kit actually comes with one brand new one for inside there. Right there we go. And then we can take the tape also that comes in here and place it around those threads to ensure that we get a good seal. So that is what we're going to do. Take our tape here first, find the end of it, and then we're just going to apply it on here like that. Wrap it the same direction as we would turn so that it doesn't undo as we turn our new fitting on there. Boom, push it down. There we go. Got our new one here, and we're going to, let's see, that one goes right inside of here. Boom, boom. Get it on there nice and tight. You don't have to like get it on there super tight. I mean, pretty much hand tight with a, as tight as you can with your hand will do, because you have that tape on there, so that's going to take care of things. And then you can loosen this other one up like that. And this is what's going to allow this ball joint to move around so we can get this as tight as we want. And then we can place this in the direction that we want to place it, which is going to be about right there. Boom. Then we're going to take our new hose here, make sure washers are in place. You're going to have this smaller side that will go up here. This larger one is going to go to your wand. So same thing. Tighten this up. There we go. I didn't put any tape on that one. We'll see how well it works. If we need to put tape on afterwards, I don't think we will. And then same thing here. Gonna screw this on. Hand tight. And then it should go right there inside there just like that. Boom. Cool. That should be pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and give this thing a try really quick. And we do have some leakage, it looks like, right around down here at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and tighten that up here. All right, so I'm a dummy. The washer actually fell out of this. It works great now. Boom. Just like that. Good to go. No leaks here, anywhere. This thing is really cool. Has a whole bunch of different settings on here. We'll go ahead and cycle through those. And then it's like a pause mode to where it doesn't spray anything. That mist mode is really cool. I like that. And then you can also use this to like clean. So that's super cool. And then those little cleaning things you could use, to clean the sides of your shower here, or you could use those like to throw your pet in here, clean them with like a really powerful spray. Overall, this is really great. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Give a like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. Follow, subscribe. Like I said, everything's down there in the description in regards to where you can buy this. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those down there. at the bottom as well. And we'll see you next time here on Reviews, and we'll figure it out together, how-tos type thing. Like I said, don't lose your washer in there. Y'all have a good one.